So students, now we will move to the next calculations. Now we will do conversion of kg and g into g. That is, earlier we converted kilogram into gram. Now here you can see conversion of kilogram and gram into gram. So the first example is 3 kg 220 gram is equal to dash gram. So here both the units are present, kilogram as well as gram. So 3 kilograms and 220 grams is equal to how much grams is the question. So when you get such example, you have to convert both these units into gram. So to convert kg and g into g, we have to multiply the number of kg with 1000 and we have to add it to the number of grams. So the same way as we did in the earlier case, only we have to add that number which we get from kg to the number of gram. So here you can see, as 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So what will happen? 3 kg 220 grams will be written as 3 into 1000 gram plus 220 gram. This 220 gram has to be written as it is because it is already in grams. We need not convert it again. We have to convert only this 3 kg into grams. So 3 multiplied by 1000 gram, we get the answer 3000 gram, and then we will add this 3000 gram to the 220 grams. So the answer we get is 3220 grams. So 3 kg 220 grams is equal to 3220 gram. Here we have done only the conversion of kg into gram, and the gram part was written as it is. It was added as it is to the kilogram that was converted into gram. Now we will see here one more example. 4 kg 20 grams is equal to how much grams? So here also we have to do the same thing. We have to convert the kg into grams and we have to keep this gram part as it is, and it should be added to the kilogram part when it is converted into grams. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Now, so what we will do? So this 4 kg 220 gram is equal to 4. The number of kg is taken and it is multiplied by 1000 because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram g. Okay, plus we will add this 220 gram. 220 gram. So 4 into 1000, what will be the answer? It will be 4000 gram, and this 220 gram will be written as it is, 220 gram. Sorry, it is not 220, it is just 20. I took the same number as in the earlier case. Okay, it is just 20 gram. Okay, so what will be the answer? It will be 4020 gram. So you can see only the kilogram is converted into gram and this gram is written as it is. So the answer is 4020 gram. 4 kg 20 gram is equal to 4020 gram. Okay students, so now we are going to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. So now the question is conversion of g into kg and g. So now we have to convert the weight of some object which is given in grams. We have to convert it into kilograms and grams, just opposite to what we did earlier. So the question is 4325 gram is equal to dash kilogram dash grams. So we have already learned that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So it means 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So as 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, so we write 4325 gram is equal to 4000. This 4000 plus 325 grams are written separately. Here you can see this is 4000. This number is 4000 and this 3025 gram is written separately. So 4000 means 4 kgs, right? So 4 into 1000 is 4000 plus 325 grams. So we write it 4 kg plus 325 gram. It means 4 kg 325 gram. So the answer to 4325 grams is 4 kg 325 grams. We will solve one more example. Here you can see 9050 gram is equal to dash kg dash gram. So students, now we have to convert this gram into kg and g, that is kilogram and gram. So for this what we need to know what is 1000 gram is equal to, or we need to know what is 1 kg is equal to. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. It means that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So as 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg, we can write 9050 gram will be equal to, we will divide this 9050. So what we will do? We will write 9000 gram plus this remaining 50 gram. So 9000 gram is equal to how much kgs? 9000 is equal to 9 into 1000 grams, because it is 9000 is equal to 9 kg. So 9 into 1000 gram plus this 50 gram as it is. So this 9000 grams means 9 kg plus this 50 grams. So the answer will be 9 kg 50 grams. So 9050 grams is equal to 9 kg and 50 grams. So students, now we are going to solve exercise number 2 from your textbook. Here you can see exercise number 2. The first question given to you is change into grams. So we have, the numbers are given in kilograms. You have to convert them into grams. So 6 kg. The first one is 6 kgs. 6 kg is equal to dash gram. So we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So we will write 6 kg is equal to 6 into 1000 grams. So what did we do here? We multiplied the number of kgs with 1000 gram. So we get 6000 gram. So 6 kg is equal to 6000 gram. Okay. Similarly, you are expected to do 18 kg. 18 kg will be equal to 18 into 1000 gram and you will get the answer. Here we will solve one more, that is C. 8 kg and 295 gram is equal to dash grams. So we know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So what we do? We convert this 8 kg 295 gram into total grams. So what we do is we have to multiply the number of kgs by 1000 gram, and this part, that is 295, will be written as it is, 295 gram. So when we multiply 8 by 1000, we get answer 8000 gram, and this 295 gram will be written as it is. And when we add both these grams, we will get the answer 8295 gram. So 8 kg 295 gram is equal to 8295 grams. Okay students, I hope you have understood it. You can solve the other one, the D question, that is 3 kg 25 gram on yourself. Now we will see the next one. Here you can see change into kilograms and grams, right? So they have given us in grams and we have to convert it into kilogram and gram. So I will take the first example, that is 3546 gram. So students, here you can see 3546 gram is equal to dash kg and dash gram. So we know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So we write 3546 gram is equal to this 3000 gram plus the remaining 546 grams. So 3000 grams means 3 into 1000 gram plus 546 gram as it is written downwards. So 3 into 1000 gram means 3 kg plus 546 grams. And we finally write it as 3 kg 546 gram. Similarly students, we will solve one more. We will take the F1, 8490 gram is equal to dash kg dash gram. So students, we already know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. So what we do? We write 8490 gram is equal to 8000 gram and we will write 490 gram separately. Sorry, I am writing this GM. Okay, so 8000 gram plus 490 gram. So 8000 gram, how much it is? 8000 gram means 8 kg plus this 490 gram. So how will we write it? We write it 8 kg 490 gram. So student, this is as easy. So first what you have to understand? You have to understand that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. If you remember this for always, you can easily solve these problems. So the remaining problems you have to solve on your own.